All right, sorry guys. I don't know. Trying to send messages and I'm having problems right now. So, all right, Rihanna, Carolina, Rams, New England, New Orleans, the Giants, the Jets, Tennessee, and Washington. I'll, you want them all, Rihanna? All right, I'll message you after the break. You sure? Rams and Washington? Anyone else? All right, Rams and Washington to Rihanna. Dylan, I have Carolina. Let's Rihanna. You taking the rest of them? Or do you want Carolina, New England, New Orleans, Giants, Jets? Giants. All right. Dylan, you interested in those teams? Rihanna got the Giants. Okay. Dylan, I have the Jets, New Orleans, New England, Carolina. All right, Jets, New Orleans, Carolina. So nobody on Carolina, no one on New England, no one on New Orleans. And Tennessee. All right, so I guess stuck with those 4 teams. I want to thank the person who stuck with me the 12 teams. I really appreciate it. So, all right, guys, we're ready to roll here. Sorry about the delay. $5 Illusion Football. My partner here, Davis, with me tonight. $3.99 per team, Jay Davis. $3.99 a team that's left. No shipping. All right, these mega. All right, Rihanna's taking all that's left. Thank you, Rihanna. All right, finally get that straightened out. All right. Sorry, guys. It's unbelievable. Someone could do that. I mean, anyway. All right, let's get started. 1 megabox exclusive rookies. We could have some signed autographs. I'm just trying to get my thoughts together a second. Okay, we have 1 superlative or signed autograph in orange. We have some blues, parallels. So good luck, everybody. Hope everybody gets what they want. We're ready to go. I'm back here. Let's go. I'm ready to go. Good luck. Illusion Football. My partner Dave's with me. He'll be top loading and penny sleeving all the big hits. Let's have some fun tonight. Let's get you guys some hits and let's go. Had a nice blaster break last night. Tonight we'll do the megas. There are 35 cards in the box. And let's go. All right. Pack number 1 of our megas. You ready, Dave? Let's go. Good luck, guys. Let's get the hits. We'll start with Minnesota and Seattle and Carson from Buffalo. We have a insert right away. It is going to be an auto, it looks like. Auto for Jacksonville and C.J. Henderson. Auto rookie for Jacksonville and Perry. C.J. Henderson. Top load that, Dave. So we got a auto right off the bat. Tampa and Aaron Rodgers. So nice hit there for Jacksonville and Perry. Thick one's, yep, right here. No, thick one's,
Is this the normal sleeves?
That's the normal sleeve. I'm looking for the thick sleeves. Okay. You got them? All right. Pack number 2. Here's the thick top loaders right here. Here's the regular ones. All right. Cam, New England, playing tonight. Gibson, Washington. We have a living legend, Eagles, Brian Dawkins for the Eagles, and Gary. So a living legend there. Detroit and Lavishka rookie for Jacksonville and Perry again. So 2 Jacksonvilles right now. 2 inserts, 2 packs. So good start. Pick it up here a little bit. Let's get some of the big ones. Bosa, San Fran, Hopkins, Arizona, Blue, DK Metcalf, Seattle. Shipped my cards for the Blue. Not numbered. New England and Von Miller. All right, next pack. Okay. All right, rookie on the back. That's what we like to see. Tua for Miami. We had a Tua first pack, first box. Miami and Justin. So Miami's on the board. So we'll get him top loaded up. We have Watt for Houston. Mystique Blue. Denzel Mims for Rihanna. Last minute team for Rihanna. Denzel Mims. Nice receiver for the Jets. Browns. Beckham. And Akers for the Rams. Next pack. Jefferson, Minnesota for Justin. Penny sleeve that. He's just getting all that stuff ready. Kamara, Blue. Matt Ryan, Atlanta. My man Adam. And Moss, Buffalo. All right, Las Vegas. Jacobs, thanks, buddy. Wilson, Seattle. Instant Impact. DeAndre Swift for the Lions. Nice job, Detroit. And Michael gets a Instant Impact DeAndre Swift. So we'll get that for you, Michael. We have Watt and Morgan for the Jets. Let me put these hits out here while Dave's getting them going. And the last pack for box number 1. From Buffalo, Kansas City, Jordan Love, Blue, Green Bay. For Jim. So there we go. Another late arrival for the team that bailed. Nice hit there. Jackson and Luck. So not bad for the first box. We got a couple inserts. We got our Tua. Got the autograph. All right. I think we got 1 Instant Impact each box. So box number 2. It's always something, guys. Always something. It's never easy. Always at the last minute, something like that happens, and you're scrambling. So I want to thank everybody for joining us. Thank you for the guys who put those teams at the end. Appreciate it. Let's get love out there. All right, box 2. Let's go. We got a tool. Let's get the rest of the big ones here. Let's get a nice big auto as well. Got Instant Impact up top. Jets, Mims rookie. Jones, Giants. We have rookie autograph. Seahawks, Anthony Gordon. Anthony Gordon for Seattle. Ship my cards with the auto. Here we go. Seattle free agent. Edelman and Van Jefferson. My rookies up there. So, second auto down. All right. Baltimore, Tennessee. Insert DK Metcalf, Seattle, Shining Stars, ship my cards. Jimmy G and Arizona. My PayPal, Johnny, is Steelers21 at cox.net, cox.net. Steelers21 at cox.net. Thank you. All right. Pack number 3. Let's get that auto out here. The Steelers have been playing too good lately, but they're still having a good season. Here we go. Chicago. Jalen Hurts starting this week for Philly and Gary. Jalen Hurts, rookie. We have a blue. Bridgewater for Carolina. Our second quarterback coming up. Cincinnati's on the board with Colin and Joe Burrow. And Will Fuller for the Titans. The Texans. So Cincinnati's on the board. So we have our Tua. We have a Burrow. Still waiting on the third quarterback to come. Here's a nice one. Kyler Murray, Arizona. And just as I say it, the Chargers are up with Fernando and Justin Herbert. So we have a Burrow and a Herbert in the same box. DeAndre Swift, blue. Nice blue card here for Detroit and Michael. We'll get that penny sleeve for you. Hammett? Yeah. And Dalvin Cook for Minnesota. Yes, the blues are nice. We had a Herbert in the last mega break, so it was real nice. So the blues are coming up. The quarterbacks are coming up. Let's keep going with the hits here. Let's get a big time auto. See what we could do. We have Tampa. Richard Sherman, San Fran. Carolina. Clear shots, Christian McCaffrey. Ariana with the insert. T. Higgins, nice rookie. And Drew Brees for New Orleans. I think that would be the thick one. Pack number 6, box 2. Taysom Hill, Saints, Raiders, blue, Charger, but it's not the Charger we want. Keenan Allen, first Steeler, Matt and Claypool, and James Conner. So back-to-back Steelers. Claypool having a nice rookie season for the 11-1 Steelers. And the last pack, we have Watson. Got the insert coming. Indianapolis. And our insert is Philadelphia. Instant impact. Jalen Reagor for Gary and the Eagles. So another nice receiver for the Eagles. Gary with the hit. Prescott and Denver. Judy for Michael. So we have another rookie off the board. So not bad. Who we got? We got Riga has the instant impact. Not too bad there. Box number 2. Box 3. Thank you, Dave. Where's the impact up there? Box 3. Glad to hear that, Rihanna. That's what it's all about. I have my 13-year-old breaking with me. He loves doing it, so that's why we do it. So, hope he's watching, having a good time. All right. We got Judy up there. Box 3. Let's go. We got the big quarterbacks. We need some Chiefs. We need a CD Lamb. Get some more of the quarterbacks. Let's go. Pack 1. Box 3. Julio Jones, Atlanta. Indy, Jacob Eason. Nice one for Jacob. Blue. Looks like it's Kirk Cousins, Minnesota. Edwards-Helaire, Kansas City. We finally get the Chief. And Jeff. Boiler Jim. Hope we'll get some more packets for you and your son. Let's see if we get one right here for you. So Edwards Hilaire's up there. So we got our Chief rookie. Still waiting on CD. McCaffrey, Carolina. Dobbins, Ravens. Chiefs. Clyde Edwards Hilaire, blue. Las Vegas. Johnny B with Ruggs. And McFarland, Pittsburgh. There's a thick one here. Let's see what we're going to get. That's it. Hopefully we'll go through that whole box of top loaders, Dave. That means it's a good sign. All right. Here we go. Rams. San Francisco. Brandon for a nice Michael. Nice receiver there. All right. Instant impact. We have a Dolphin. We have a left-handed Dolphin. We have Tua. Instant impact for Tua in Miami and Justin. There's a nice hit right there, Justin. That's what we want to see. That's a nice card. I haven't seen that one yet. So Justin with the hit with the Tua. And we end with the Baker Mayfield. So nice job there for the Dolphins. We got a big rookie on the instant impacts. All right. Let's see. Vegas. Russell Wilson. Insert auto. Running back. Raekwon Davis. Dolphins. So it's a Dolphins box. We get a Raekwon Davis and a auto and a Tua instant impact. So Dolphins it is. And Akers with the Rams. Halfway home, box 3. From Buffalo. Kansas City. Tyreek Hill. Mystique. Nice rookie receiver Lavishka for Jacksonville and Perry. My man Adam, receiver Minnesota, and Moss. So let's put Ruggs up there. Huh? Yes. I know, we gotta find some Washington. Washington's been slow here. Where are you? Chase Young, Green Bay. Here's a Green Bay for you. Cam, A.J. Dillon. Giants and Barkley. Blue, Mayfield, Cleveland. Perry. Watt and the Jets. Let's get insert some phone behind on you, Dave. Bang. Auto there. The last pack, box 3. Chargers. Kelly. Tennessee. Pittsburgh insert. Clear shot. T.J. Watt, Pittsburgh and Matt. Jackson and Drew Lock for Denver. So 3 boxes down. Yes, we have a little short on Cowboys. We got to get you some here. Let's go, Cowboys. Let's go. Box 4. Cowboys, Washington. They have the NFC East not showing up here tonight so far. So we still have 2 boxes left. Plenty of time to make up for an empty box. Kalea shots there. Alright, Dave, let's go. Let's get something here. Pack number 1, box 4. Thank you guys for being with us tonight. Dylan, Green Bay, 2 in a row. Barkley, looks like it's the same pack. Living Legend, Larry Fitzgerald, blue for Arizona. Larry Fitzgerald. Gilmore and Miller for Denver. So Larry Fitz. We will be breaking some Prism football for the next couple of days. The mail is a little slow, so I'm waiting for my shipment to come in. We have some Mosaic football cellos coming up, playoff football. So we have a lot of football coming within the next week or so. Justin Jefferson, Minnesota. Kamara, Nolans. 250 Panini rewards. Connor and Claypool. Boston Steelers, the second Claypool. From Matt in Pittsburgh. There we go. This feels a little thicker, this pack. Might have something in here. I think we do. Alright. Las Vegas. And Bowden, Russell Wilson. We have a astounding Tampa, Tom Brady. Michael in Tampa with the astounding. There you go, Michael. So Tampa's on the board, and we have Aaron Rodgers, Green Bay. Rihanna, I'll send the rewards to you for bailing me out at the end. I appreciate it. You'll get the rewards. All right, Jake from Buffalo. Tyreek Hill, Kansas City. Blue. Tannehill. Detroit. And Lavishka, Jacksonville. So that's a second or third Lavishka. Hopefully your son will like the rewards for you, so you could give it to him. Here we go. Kelly with Chargers. Jacksonville Blue. Bridgewater again. Cleveland. Odell. And Akers, the Rams. That's a thick one. We'll save that for last. We hit the quarterbacks early, then we haven't hit them again. Hopefully we have some left in here. Pack number 6, Woods. Brandon, San Francisco. Blue. DeAndre Swift. Is that our second blue tonight for DeAndre in Detroit? So we got 2 blues for Michael. Watt and Morgan for the Jets. And our last pack for box number 4. Is McCaffrey, Carolina. Dobbins, Baltimore. Our instant impact is Kansas City, Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. So Jeff in Kansas City, Edwards-Helaire, nice one right there. Nice hit for Kansas City. My man Adam again. And a Buffalo. So we got Edwards-Helaire. We got a nice astounding. All right. Well, the last one. Come on, let's end with a bang. Let's have the best box yet. Thank you guys again for joining us. Sorry for the delay in the opening. Hope you join us for Prism. We'll be doing a lot of Prism within the next week or so. We'll have some more illusions. Again, playoffs, Mosaic coming up. So we have plenty of football. So you can check it out in my Instagram or my eBay user ID. Edwards-Helaire out there. All right, here we go. Last box. Dave's getting mad at me because I can't open that pack. But, all right, here we go. Kansas City, Mahomes. So here comes the Chiefs. Dallas, Ezekiel. We still need a Lamb. Superlatives, Giants, Otis Anderson autograph for the Superlatives. Rihanna with the auto and a little O.J. Anderson. So a nice hit right there, Rihanna. From Buffalo and Kansas City, Tyreek Hill. Pack 2. Let's go. We have another. Another insert. We got Cousins. We have Riga. Is this the instant impact? Instant impact. Looks like it is a Green Bay Packer. So Green Bay, A.J. Dillon, instant impact for the Packers. Nice hit for Green Bay. Dillon, there we go. A.J. Dillon. Put it with the auto. And I have Jefferson and Kamara. So you wanted Green Bay. There was the Green Bay you were calling for. Boiler Jim and his son. What's your son's name, Boiler? Congratulations. All right. Roethlisberger, Pittsburgh. Gandy, Washington. Julio Jones, Blue, Atlanta. Las Vegas and Russell Wilson. So let's get that last one up there. We'll get the Jefferson here. Come on. 4 packs left. These packs are getting tricky. 4 packs to go. Let's go. We still have more hits left. Mayfield, Cleveland. Edwards-Helaire, Kansas City. San Francisco, Brandon Ayuk, Blue. San Francisco and Michael. Miami, back at it again, Miami. With Tua. Second tour of the night for Miami. That's the way to end this last box. And Watt. So Miami with a nice break. As we're down to the final 3. Las Vegas. Jacobs. The Jets. Insert. Shining Stars. Las Vegas. Josh Jacobs. Johnny B. In Vegas. Green Bay. Dillon and Barkley for the Giants. All right. And the final 2. Let's get another quarterback in here. Chicago. Browns. Nice Indy hit right here. Indy Blue. Jacob Eason for Indy and Jacob. So a nice one right there. Chargers, but it's Kelly again. And Tennessee. And we are down to my last pack. What we get here to end off the night. Jonathan Taylor for Indy and Jacob. Goff, Rams. We have an insert, and it is Kansas City Chiefs. Mystique. Clyde, Edwards, Helaire for Kansas City, and Jeff. So Kansas City coming on strong the last 2 boxes. Edwards, Helaire, McCaffrey, and J.K. Dobbins. So that concludes the break, guys. I'm going to give you a quick recap of what we have. I will not go through all the rookies. We've had a bunch of them. I think we had almost everyone except for Paul Dallas and C.D. Lamb. But all right. Edwards-Helaire, Mystique, Brady, Astounding, Living Legends, Fitzgerald, Watt, Clear Shots, Lavishka, Mystique, Clear Shot, McCaffrey, Metcalf, Shining Star, Living Legend, Brian Dawkins, and Denzel Mims, Mystique. Autos. The Giants, Otis Anderson, Superlatives. Dolphins, Raekwon Davis. Yes, that is it. Perfect, Boiler Jim. Thank you. Anthony Gordon, Seahawks. And C.J. Henderson, Jags. Another insert we had Shining Stars, Josh Jacobs. Coming in just sleeved. the blues. The blues that we top loaded. Have to go through the other ones just to make sure there's nothing I missed. We have Eason, Swift, Edwards-Helaire, Swift again, and Jordan Love. We hit the quarterbacks. We have 2 Tuas, 1 Burrows, and 1 Herbert. And the instant impacts, A.J. Dillon, Green Bay, Edwards-Helaire, Kansas City, Tua for the Dolphins, Riga for the Eagles, and DeAndre Swift for Detroit. Once again, guys, I want to thank you for being with us tonight on D&D Breaks. Look, I will be having these sent out to you hopefully tomorrow. If not tomorrow, Saturday. But hopefully to get them in the mail tomorrow. Look for more breaks coming up this week with Illusions, Mosaic, Prism, Playoff. So we have a lot of breaks going for you. Hope to see you guys again. Thank you for your support. Most importantly, stay safe. Enjoy your Friday. And hope to see you guys this weekend. Thank you very much. I will be posting, if you missed any of the break or want to see it again, it will be on my YouTube channel, D&D Card Breaks, or on Instagram Live right here. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice night.